growing organic vegetables can be a rewarding and environmentally friendly way to produce healthy, chemical-free food. Here are some essential tips to help you get started with organic vegetable gardening. 1. Choose the right location. Select a sunny spot for your vegetable garden, as most vegetables require at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Ensure the location has good drainage to prevent waterlogging. 2. Prepare healthy soil. Focus on building healthy soil by enriching it with compost and organic matter. Compost provides essential nutrients and improves soil structure, promoting strong root growth and healthy plants. 3. Practice crop rotation. Rotate your vegetable crops each season to minimize soil-borne diseases and pests. This helps prevent the buildup of specific pathogens and maintains soil fertility. 4. Select organic seeds and plants. Start with organic seeds or seedlings to ensure that you are growing vegetables free from synthetic chemicals or genetic modifications. 5. Avoid chemical pesticides and herbicides. Use natural pest control methods instead of chemical pesticides. Introduce beneficial insects, such as ladybugs or lacewings, to control pests naturally. Employ physical barriers like row covers to protect plants from pests. 6. Mulch your garden. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, suppresses weeds, and improves soil temperature. Use organic mulches like straw, leaves, or grass clippings to nourish the soil as they break down. 7. Water wisely. Water your vegetable garden deeply and less frequently to encourage strong root development. Water in the morning to reduce the risk of fungal diseases and avoid wet foliage overnight. 8. Companion planting. Practice companion planting to enhance the growth of your vegetables and deter pests. Some plants have natural abilities to repel pests or attract beneficial insects when grown together. 9. Handpick pests. Inspect your plants regularly and handpick any pests you find. Removing them manually reduces the need for chemical intervention. 10. Use organic fertilizers. Choose organic fertilizers like compost, well-rotted manure, or organic liquid fertilizers to nourish your plants naturally. Avoid synthetic chemical fertilizers that can harm beneficial soil organisms. 11. Harvest at the right time. Harvest your vegetables at their peak ripeness for the best flavor and nutritional value. Regularly harvesting also encourages plants to continue producing. 12. Compost kitchen scraps. Start a compost bin to recycle kitchen scraps, yard waste, and garden trimmings. This will create nutrient-rich compost to enrich your soil in the future. 13. Learn from experience. Be observant and learn from each gardening season. Take note of what works well and what doesn't, and adjust your gardening practices accordingly. By following these tips and nurturing your organic vegetable garden with care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of nutritious, chemical-free vegetables while promoting a healthier and more sustainable environment. Happy organic gardening!